Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to test the A/B test landing pages. I'll be showing you how to run the A/B test landing pages in System IO. This is a step-by-step tutorial, so we're going to be getting it quickly. All right, so guys, if you want to find out which version of your page converts better, this is the perfect way to do it. And the best part, it's completely free to set up. So you can actually start with system for free. So this is where we're going to be testing the A/B landing page. That's where we're going to be conducting the test. Your first step would be to go ahead and sign in. So I already have an account, so I'm just going to be signing in. And this is what your account would look like. You have your dashboard, you have your profile here, you have your settings. Now, all you need to do is underneath where we have sites, just head over to sales funnels. So click on sales funnels here. It's going to open up your sales funnel. If you do not have one, go ahead and click on create and simply create a funnel and then select the goal you wish your funnel to perform. Either it's building an audience, selling a product or service, building a custom funnel from scratch, or running an evergreen webinar. You can also set your currency and then give it a name and then the funnel domain. All right, so once everything is done creating your funnel, just go ahead and open up your funnel here. You can now see on your funnel, you have your pages. These are editable pages. So let me just go ahead and simply duplicate. So go ahead and duplicate any of your pages, as that is how you'll be able to test funnel A and funnel B. Now, in order to have a distinguishing feature on your pages, just go ahead and click on edit page. So let's open up the editor, and this is the editor for the first page, the thank you page. Now all we need to do is just highlight it and then change the colors. So I'm going to be making it a bit lighter on the eyes. I'm just going to make it a bit lighter on the eyes. And then once you're done, just go ahead and save your changes to your page. Now you're going to have two pages set up. Now all you need to do from here is just head back from the editor. Just simply exit the editor. And once you're done with the edit, like I said, just duplicate the page. You can see it says the name is here, thank you page. Now all you need to do is head over to A/B test, and then let's head over to the original copy on A/B test, and then simply click on choose a variant, and then choose the page you'd like to. That's the copy, that's this, and then what you want it to do or what you want it to look like. Let's select this one and click on save, and then go ahead and click on start A/B test. So click on this, and once the test has started, you can see your conversion rates, the difference between the original and the variant page as well. Your conversion rates are shown, your page views are shown as well, the date. And once you're done with the simulation, go ahead and click on end the test, click on confirm, and then you can use the data collected from both sides to know which page to mainstream. All right, guys, so that's how you can simply go about this. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.